yourself. Devansh, you started.
My voice is breaking.
Breaking.
My voice is okay. Wait, better wait. Let me just check something went wrong with my internet connection. Yes, now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me share the screen. Where is it?
Okay.
Shirish, have you given a good title to this passage?
Ma'am, I am thinking.
It's done.
Ma'am, but I have written heading unseen passage.
Yes, that is unseen passage. So we are going to do 10 unseen passages. So this is not a title, na? You have to give title to this passage, beta. All these kind.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my work is done.
Very good. Very nice. How many of
Ma'am,
you
I
are still
like the
doing?
first question.
How many of you are still doing?
Ma'am, I have given a title. A simple title.
Ma'am, I have given the title of this unseen passage.
Good, beta. Good.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, can I send the work in WhatsApp group?
No,
Yes, ma'am.
don't send, beta. Don't send. You need not send this work.
So today we will do 10 unseen passages.
Yes.
So, ma'am, today we will do 10 unseen passages.
Yes. Today we will do unseen passage, and in the next period also, fourth period also, we are going to do the same thing because we have not done it till now.
Ma'am, you were saying that we will do 10 unseen passages.
We will do better. We will do. I can't understand, Shish, what I said and what you are saying.
No, ma'am, you were saying that we will do 100 unseen passages.
100? When
Well,
did I
10.
say 200?
10. 10.
No, I didn't number it. Did I say, children, we'll do 10 unseen passages?
Yes, ma'am, you said.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I say 10? Oh my God. Now we'll have to do 10 unseen passage.
No. Ma'am, 5.
We will do as many, okay, because they are very interesting. See, this kind of an unseen passage is based on trees and plants, the importance of trees and plants. Some unseen passages are like stories. Okay, then there are two boys, there are two girls, there's a family. Yes, Stuti, what are you saying?
So, ma'am,
This is like English comprehension.
Yes. Okay, please now for your attendance. Zoya
So,
Fatima
ma'am,
is present. Yes, Shish.
ma'am, I'm saying that offline exams will be like online exams. You will give us a sheet and then we will write answers.
Yes, like always you have been giving in the school.
So, ma'am, we just have to learn like we learn in online. Because then we will
learn for online exams, you learn very casually. So you don't have to learn casually, you have to learn deep by heart. Okay, because you will be appearing for offline. Just think like that. You're coming to school, your books will be away from you, your teachers will be around you. Yes, and you have to do your exam. Okay, now everyone please be quiet and be ready for attendance. Zoya Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj Singh, Yashraj Mahajan, Suprema Yadav, Vikas Rathore,
Present, ma'am.
Shirsh,
Present, ma'am.
Sarthak Agarwal, Samya Alifia, Rishabh,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyaksh Rathi,
Present, ma'am.
Nandini, Mishti, Manas, Kartik, Kanishka, Harsh,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh,
Present, ma'am.
Avni, Atharv Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Arpit Verma, Arav Solanki, Anmol, and Arush Chaudhary.
Ma'am, I am also present, Mr. Mishra. Ma'am, I am also.
One student has not given the attendance.
Ma'am, I am Mr. Mishra. Tuti.
Stuti, beta, I have marked you present.
Ma'am, I am Mr. Mishra.
Yes, Mishti, I have marked you present.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll it up. My brother said that ma'am, our school open after half-yearly exams. Please scroll it up.
Okay, beta. Beta, we'll see what is to be done. You have to be prepared for anything. Okay? Whether it opens, whether it doesn't open for small students. Okay, now let's come to the first question. What do trees give us?
Ma'am, can I tell Prasanna? Tree give us oxygen to breathe.
Very nice.
Trees
Give us oxygen to breathe. Very good. Next question. Why are trees important to animals?
Trees are often food with help of trees. Trees are important to animals as they are the shelter of the animals.
Yes. Trees are important to animals as they act like shelter for them and they also provide food to animals. Okay, you have to explain it properly. Is that fine?
Tree is important to animal because many animals use trees for shelter and for food.
For food, yes. Because animals use it for their home and food. Okay, next question. Why do people cut down trees?
People cut down trees because people cut down trees to make restaurants, houses, and shopping centers. And make in order to live here, people cut down millions of trees every year, so we can run
So
shopping.
Why we can Stuti in between?
Ma'am, then what?
So they can. They can. People cut down trees Billions of trees every year so they can build shopping malls, centers, restaurants, and houses. Beta, you have to change language and answers. Now you are
What is
breaking
it?
up.
Build. B-U-I-L-D.
Build. Build.
Build shopping centers, restaurants. And ma'am लकड़ियों से पेपर भी बनती है, so we cut the tree.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Wood is used to make paper also. Yes, what are you saying, Pratyaksh?
can I tell the question number 3?
Yes, tell.
People cut the trees because they can build shopping malls, houses, restaurants, malls, etc.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, please tell me last one.
Now next. Tell me or ask from me. How can we help?
Ma'am, can I tell?
We can help by planting new trees in your community.
We can help
We
by
can help by planting trees in our community.
Yes, in our community. Shirsh, not your community. We can help by doing this work in our society, in our community, not your community, beta. Yes, Pratyaksh.
We can help by planting new trees in our community.
Very good, very nice. Okay, Harsh, what do you want to say?
We can help by planting new trees in our community.
Very good. In our community. Very nice. Now, from everyone, I want to know what title you have given to this passage.
Can I tell?
One by one, starting from Atharv Singh. Roll number wise, I'll ask. Atharv Singh is not there in class?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, still writing. Next, who is the next one? Dhruv. Dhruv and Devansh. What title have you given? Not answering, Dhruv and Devansh.
No, we have to read.
No, beta, what is the answer of the last question that you have written? What was the last question? Give an appropriate title. No.
We can help by planting new trees in our community.
Beta, that means you have not listened to the question only. I said add one more question in the end. The question is, give an appropriate title to this passage. What is your title? Okay, Stuti is raising hand. Stuti, what title have you given?
How animals and people use trees.
How animals and people use trees. Okay, very nice. Good. Shirsh, what is your title?
Ma'am, save trees.
Save trees. Very good. Rishabh, what is your title? Pratyaksh, what is your title? No one is answering now. Yes,
Ma'am, my title is A Beautiful Environment.
A beautiful environment. Okay, good. Harsh, what is yours?
Ma'am, house is muted.
Harsh, beta, unmute.
Ma'am, my title is Helpful Trees.
Helpful trees. Very good. Very nice. Yash Raj, what is your title?
Trees.
Huh?
Ma'am, grow trees in community.
Grow trees in your community. Okay. Anyone else wants to tell the title?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Zoya, tell.
Importance of plants and trees.
Importance of plants and trees. Very good. This is also nice.
Ma'am, see, I have already sent on group.
Better you have to tell. You don't have to send on group. I told you in the beginning only, you are not sending this on group. Want to tell what title you have given? Just tell. Now can I remove the screen, children? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now for tomorrow, what you're going to do, tell me. How many of you remember what you're supposed to do for tomorrow?
Ma'am, what political map?
World political.
Ma'am, what physical?
World physical map. World physical map. You have to get your world physical map tomorrow. And those who will not get, they will sit idle in the class. Even if 2 students will have the map, I will make those 2 students work on the map. Rest, whole class will sit idle. This is world map, beta. This is the shape of world. Pratyaksh. Now, which class next do you have?
And Hindi creative.
Hindi.
Yes.
In which subject are you able to write better? In Hindi creative or English creative?
Ma'am, English.
English.
Because my English is not good.
Okay, so you work better on in Hindi creative.
Ma'am, I like English.
Why are these students still sitting with their cameras off? I don't understand. Vikas, Rathore, Samya, Zoya.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
you see my drawing?
Very nice, Harsh. Very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next class has already started joining in at 8-9 only. Okay, children, now you can move for your next class. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, better.
Bye, ma'am.